Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Buffalo Chex Mix, moving right along with our Christmas Spectacular. By the way, I would like to point out, not many of you are subscribed. Hopefully today is the day I earn your subscription. About 80% of you are unsubscribed, but if you don't want to subscribe, sit back and enjoy the show and make the recipe. All right, to start off, we have already in there 6 cups of rice Chex. I'm adding 4 cups of corn Chex to this mix, followed by a cup and a half of Pepperidge Farm Parmesan Goldfish, or any Parmesan flavored goldfish cracker. Follow that up with a cup and a half of the cheddar flavored goldfish. To be specific, I went with the extra cheddar kind, but the regular kind will do just fine. And now you want to add 1 3/4 cup of dry roasted peanuts. I just guesstimated the 3/4. Again, ain't gonna kill you. And then you want to add 1 1-ounce packet of ranch seasoning mix. And then you want to add 1 cup of buffalo sauce. If for whatever reason you can't get buffalo sauce, then half a cup of butter, half a cup of hot sauce. Then you want to cover it with tin foil and shake the ever-loving bejesus out of it. If you have small children, this is kind of the fun part for them. Oh, and by the way, at this point, somebody preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Again, you want to make sure the aluminum foil is on tightly. So, yeah, just shake it, and then we'll get ready for our baking dish. Okay, as you can see here, I poured the mix out, I spread it out, made it as even as possible using a spoon, and then this is going to go into a 350 degree oven for 30 minutes. If you want, you can stir this around about 10-minute intervals, or you can just leave it be. Up to you. But like I said, 10-minute intervals. Just stir it around if you want, but 350, half an hour. And after 30 minutes has gone by, this is what you're left with. So that's Buffalo Chex Mix. Done.